Guys, this is another video from Randy from Techbook Geeks, and today I'm going to talk to you about the iPhone 3.0 software. They actually currently do have it in beta right now. I actually joined the developers program to actually get the software, but under their instructions on how to do it, you had to get a UDID from your iPhone, which I cannot get because I am locked out. I tried downgrading, it wouldn't work. It kept on giving me an error message and nobody found a way to fix it. So I sent my phone in to Best Buy, and they're shipping off wherever the hell they do it, and then if they can't fix it, they're gonna give me a brand new phone. This is a mistake on Apple's part, because you can download the firmware directly from the developer's website. Yeah, which is kind of pissing me off. And like, to actually find where you actually need the UDID, it's actually hidden, pretty much. Where do we go? I'll actually show you that in a minute. Alright, so here it is. It says to read me before downloading. It doesn't say anything about needing a UDID anywhere in there. You can read it from Apple's website. Yeah, I paid $100 and I can't even use the software. I knew the Xcode, their programming SDK wouldn't work on Windows, but I mostly wanted it for the software, because 3.0, it has a couple of things. First off, it has copy and paste, horizontal emailing, a bunch of other stuff, push notification, but of course a lot of applications haven't implemented that yet and released new updates for it as of yet. It's currently beta 3 right now. It'll probably be coming out in May sometime, I'm sure, most likely. But you can actually download it directly from the website. See, it says iPhone beta 3, this pre-release version of iPhone OS 3. Please review the iPhone OS pre-install advisory before installing and developing with this beta software. It does tell you to go to the install advisory, but I didn't. But basically what you have to do is you have to go to the iPhone developer portal right here in the right corner of the screen of their webpage, and you have to go there. Sorry, my internet's running a little slow. And then over here you have to actually put the device under the list. So you have to click devices, and then you have to add device, and then this is where they get you, because you need a 40 hex code, which is a UDID. You need a 40 hex code in order to add your phone to your developers program in order to run the 3.0 software. So you had to find this on the website. A lot of people actually directly downloaded it without listening to what people had to say, because some people they thought you could just download the beta for free, but no, you can't. You have to be a developer, or you have to get somebody who is a developer to add you to the development program in order for you to run the 3.0 software. I paid $100 for this, and I can't even use it as of yet until I get my phone back, and then I'll get the 40 hex code, and I'll enter in and I'll download the 3.0 software. But when you download it and you're not a part of the developers program, it completely locks it out of your phone. You can't access it or anything. all you can do is access the emergency call list, but you're basically locked out of your phone. It's a brick. Basically, you're left over. And I actually went to an AT&T store. They could not help me. They actually called. I called Apple first, and they said they referred me to the development website and also go to AT&T store. I went to the development website. They couldn't help me. I even contacted them, called them through the phone. They said they've had a few other people who had the problem, but they couldn't help me. And then I went to an AT&T store. They couldn't help me. They wouldn't give me a new phone. They wouldn't give me anything. They actually called Apple again, told me to go to iPhone developers website or go to an Apple store. But instead of going to an Apple store, I went to Best Buy to see if they could do anything. They said they can ship it off, whatever, or you can go to an Apple store and get it fixed there. Then I went to an Apple store, and they couldn't help me. Apparently, the developers' stuff is disclosed to developers only. They don't disclose it to their own employees, which seems pretty freaking retarded. So Apple, get your head out of your ass. I like you guys, but you need to get your head out of your ass. You need to disclose this information to your employees. Your employees need to know this, because there's a lot of people who have had this problem. I mean, there are also a lot of people who try to get it illegitimately. I got it legitimately. But I mean, of course, I run a Windows PC. I don't have Xcode, but I still paid $100, so I better get something out of this. And it's been like 3 weeks. It took me like 3 weeks just to send in to Best Buy, because I went up to Tennessee for spring break. That took a week out of my time. And 2 other weeks I've been trying to go to like AT&T, Best Buy, and Apple Store. But they actually, I sent in Best Buy finally, and they actually gave me a new phone to just a loaner phone until they fix my phone or give me a brand new one. And they gave me an LG Shine. I actually think it's a pretty nice phone. It's nice and shiny. There's a couple problems with that, however. Whenever I try to do mobile emailing, it says invalid username and password. Even though I can log onto it directly onto the computer, it works. Same. I put in the same username, same password, everything. But yeah, they gave me an LG Shine. Nice phone. I love slider phones, but iPhone's better. It just is. Touchscreen. I love touchscreens. It's a nice phone though. They actually took care of me, and I should be getting back 3 to 5 days, a week at the most. Yeah, if you have any questions about the 3.0 software, I can actually put some people on my development program. So if you want to get the 3.0 software early, all you need to do is give me your UDID. If you need help on getting that, contact me, and I will actually help you get that. Or you can look on YouTube or Google Images, and it's actually pretty easy. All you do is open up iTunes, you go into your device, it'll say your serial number, and you click on that serial number, and it'll switch it into a UDID, which is a 40 hex code. And you just give me that, you copy it, and you paste in to a message and send it to me. Yeah, that's about it. This has been another video from Randy from the Tech Book Geeks. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you like my videos. I'll see you guys later.